KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We are full on our case PYT3 of NT Baseball. Little rules. Alright guys, since this is a non-licensed baseball product, it will say a city. It goes to that team on the city. Like, for example, Albert Pujols has both St. Louis, so Cardinals cards, and Los Angeles, so Angels cards. So it goes to that team. There are a couple teams like Philadelphia that became the A's, Nationals who became the Rangers and Twins, so it goes by a time frame. Multi-cards, everyone has a chance to be random. You guys can agree to split and sell or buy it out, but if one person says random, we random it. If there is a... I don't think there's going to be any other issues. Is there any other issues? Alright. Good luck, guys. Kobe. Alright, I'll mark these up since I do have loose boxes around for some reason. Alright, let's see what nonsensical massive hits we can pull out of this stuff. We will cross that bridge when we get to it. If we get there, we will cross it. Oh, that doesn't make a good pop at all. Now, this one feels light. We got a booklet. We got a booklet. At all decades, Joe Mauer for the Minnesota Twins, 5 of 99. 20 Twin Twins. I did not put this in the correct order. Sorry, guys. Let's put that in the correct order real quick. Sort range, call me. William Freeman with the Minnesota Twins, Joe Mauer, all decades, 2005 of 99. We have 1 of 25 for the Orioles. That is William Freeman. Manny Machado. Game worn. Manny Machado. Game worn. Timeline materials. And we got old guy. Billy Martin. That's nice. For the New York Yankees. 90 of 99. Billy Martin. That is Luke W. and the Yankees. Luke W. and the Yankees. Billy Martin. As you can see, it says New York right there. Always forget to do this now. I've been doing this just recently. Sorry, guys. So you can see the hands. Now we got Mitch Henniger for the Seattle Mariners. I think this entire box has been William Freeman so far. 82 of 99. I think they were all mini teams. 82 of 99. Mitch Henniger, hometown hero, Santa Clara, California. I know where that is. For the New York Metropolitans. Not the Braves. This is the Mets. Kobe 824. Tom Glavine 72 of 99. Sorry, Dan. Dan just got slapped by the Tom Glavine. It does say New York, so it will be a Mets card. Right? He did not play for the Yankees, right? Just the Mets. Colossal. 11 of 25 for the Kansas City Royals, Alex Gordon. Got the Royals. Carl with a K. You still here, Carl? Carl with a K. 11 of 25, Alex Gordon, bat. Colossal patch auto. That's from 2017. Very nice. You're welcome. And 21 of 25. Manny Margot, 2-color jumbo rookie patch autograph for Vancard Jeremy and the Padres. 21 of 25. Vancard. And for the Reds, 82 of 99. Bat jersey, 2,340 hits, Mr. Barry Larkin. Yeah. I didn't think he ever pitched for the Yankees. You never know, though. The Yankees pay a lot of people a lot of stupid money back in the day. Alright, we'll go box 2. We'll go box 2. I'll put those this way. As you can see, PYT3. So we don't get messed up at all. See, that is empty. We got a book. I know there's a book in everyone, guys. I'm just messing around. Joey Gallo for the Texas Rangers. Luke W. 20 of 99. Joey Gallo. 20 of 99. Colossal Dustin Pedroia for the Boston Red Sox. Red Sox are William Freeman. Is 33 of 99. Or by divisibility, 1 of 3. 33 of 99. Very nice. 75 of 99. League leaders for the Padres. Vancard. Piece of jersey of Tony the Tiger. Tony Gwynn. Does that say game used? You have game used memorabilia. From 1994, he had a 394 batting average. That's insane. No one's even going to come close. I thought this was a 101. It looks like a printing plate. Henry Heilman, 3 of 10 for the Detroit Tigers. Ed Movie Man and the Tigers, all centuries, 3 of 10. Alright, redemption time. Take a chrome card. Flip it and reverse it. Rookie material signatures card number 151 for the Boston Red Sox. I think William Freeman is absolutely crushing this. Andrew Benintendi. There you go, Freeman. Benintendi rookie material signatures for the Red Sox. Ooh. Ooh, that's nasty. 24 of 99, Mike Napoli. You're welcome, sir. That is Texas Rangers. Notable nicknames. Party at Napoli's. That is his nickname. Party at Napoli's is his nickname. Texas Rangers are Luke W. Steven, stop it. This is box 2, Kyle. Three color? 4 color? I have no idea what's there. Looks like they took off like a PSA sticker. 3 of 3 colossal patch autograph for the Chicago Cubs. For Jeff Pulls Brad Everything. That is Jake Arrieta. That's going to Frank T. That's going to Frank T. That is some dirtiness. Congrats, Frank. Game worn material, and that is on the penny sleeve. Five of 10 for the New York Yankees, Mr. Gary Sanchez. Whoop W. 5 of 10, Gary Sanchez. And ooh, that's nice. I like this. Dave Concepcion for the Cincinnati Reds. That is Ed Movie Man. Ed Movie Man, bat and 2-color patch. 6 of 15 booklet materials. Ed Movie Man and the Reds, Cincinnati Reds. Very nice, Ed. This case, I think, is a lot better than the other two cases we have done for PYTs. Alright, see PYT 3. They're in one of these boxes, Doug. They're in one of these boxes. We've seen a lot of Giants, man. Ooh, best sound in breaking. $16 of 99, Javier Baez. Javier Baez. 16 of 99 pinstripe for Frank T. George Howard Brett. 11 of 25 for Carl with a K and the Royals. 11 of 25, George Howard Brett. 65 of 99, Barry Walker. Is this the Stros or is this somebody else? Steven? Harry Walker. Houston Colts, which turned into who? They became the Astros? Okay. I did not know they were the Colts before the Astros. Thank you, guys. So it's going to go to the Astros. Frank. For the Mets, 99 of 99, Gavin Cecchini. Mets are Kobe, 824. Kobe, 824. We got a nice auto next. Doesn't sell for crazy, but still very nice. Ozzie Smith, 13 of 49. The Wizard. Who's the Cardinals? Brad, 8671. Hi, Brad. Brad, meet your new hit. It is an Ozzie Smith. He's a Hall of Famer. It's a bat relic at 49. Because, you know, you can't go hitless with Brad. I get to yell it. I get to yell it. We got a Springer Dinger. 18 of 25. 2-color, smallest patch window ever. For the Astros, Frank T. Smallest patch window ever. 18 of 25. Springer Dinger. George Springer. Springer Dinger. And for the Colorado Rockies, that's out of 99. Antonio Sanzatella. Pinstripe. White, gray, and black. I'm going to say that's 4-color. Look at the Rockies. William Freeman. Hey, it was a great series, William. I don't think either team I think both teams deserve to win. Except you, Darvish, didn't apparently think the Dodgers. For the Orioles, that is William Freeman. 3,184 hits. That's Cal Ripken jersey. 25.99. Iron Man. I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man. The last box. There's got to be a giant in here, Doug. Brian's getting killed. There have been no Dodgers. Gotta get a Dodger. Gotta get a Dodger. Come on. Come on, Clemente. Come on, Dodgers. Come on, teams that have not hit yet. That would be the more appropriate. But the Dodgers are the most expensive team that have not hit yet. Rookie Timeline Materials. Manny Margot for the Padres. Vancar. I'm going to raise the price of the Padres. He hits in every case. Manny Margot. For the Mets, Yoenis Cespedes. I believe that is Kobe 824 in the Mets. 61/99. Cespedes. Aaron Judge, 75/99 for Luke W. It's our first Aaron Judge site, or second Aaron Judge site. We got a triple booklet with Aaron Judge. 75/99, Aaron Judge. That was in a personal case. Ooh. Triple Crown winner, Roger Hornsby. Very nice. 10/25. I believe that's the Cardinals. If I am wrong, please let me know. Game used material, Rogers Hornsby. 10/25. That's Brad 8671. It's a very nice piece, Brad. Very nice piece. What, Steven? This is nice. 2/15. Yoan Moncada for the guy who puts the skunk up. That is huge. 3-color patch and autograph. (2/15). There you go, Kyle. Steven, you're just causing a problem. I'm going to step on your Messi. I've never seen that card. Yasmani Tomas, 2/99 for the D-backs. Ed Movie Man and the D-backs. Bat Auto, Yasmani. 2/99. Oh, I don't know who that is, though. Alan Trammell, 32/99. I've never seen a version of this. Alan Trammell's a Detroit Tiger. That is Ed Movie Man. (15/25) for the Indians. Nasty 3-color patch. That is Adam Plutko, not the best player. Helms. Helms always hits. Adam Plutko, 15/25. Is this going to be autographed? Very nice. For Baked Alaska. Jersey material Cody Bellinger, 9 of 25. Star material signatures. That was a good case. Sorry, Doug. It's our first case without a giant. I'm sorry, Doug. 9 of 25. No randoms to do. No randoms to do. Anybody have an issue with how I assign teams? Besides Steven, who we don't listen to. Alright, Freeman, thank you, man. I'll get that out to you tomorrow.